Hello friends and welcome to this discussion on consignment. By the end of this discussion, you'd have understood what a consignment is, who is a consignor, who is a consignee, and basic accounting entries in the books of both the consignor as well as the consignee. So, happy learning. The course of our discussion would be structured as below. We will first understand what is a consignment. When a person sends goods to another person so that the other person will sell these goods on behalf of the first person, it is said to be a consignment. But we shall define in detail and understand in detail what is a consignment and then understand what is the difference between a sale and a consignment. Next, we will go on to understand the procedure and certain related terms like a pro forma invoice, a del crede commission, account sales, etc. Next, we will move on to accounting entries in the books of the consignor. How to ascertain? How will the consignor know whether he has made a profit or loss on consignment? He does so by preparing the consignment account. So these are basically accounting entries in the books of consignor. We will also need to understand how consignment stock is valued, valuation of consignment entries. This of course will be included in the consignment stock, but we will understand separately the procedure for valuing consignment stock. Then we will move on to understand accounting entries in the books of consignee. We also need to know normal loss and abnormal loss. What is the valuation? How is it valued? How does it affect the profits? Etc. Next, we come to the concept of treatment of goods invoiced above cost. Sometimes when goods are sent by the consignor to the consignee, the price at which it is sent is higher than the cost. Why is it done and what are the accounting entries involved is what we will discuss under this module. Next, we will understand what is security against consignor. Since a lot of goods are being sent by the consignor to the consignee, some security deposit may be demanded by the consignor. How, what is the amount, what would be the computation, etc. is what we will discuss under that module. And finally, we will conclude, recap the entire discussion and of course, as usual, have a final quiz.